I am Elango Srinivasan, CFO for India Nippon Electricals Limited. Our turnover is about 1,000 crores and we have manufacturing facilities in Hosur, Pondicherry, Haryana, and we have got the state-of-art R&D center at Hosur. Our company is expanding our operations and business.
So we had issues of especially in the indirect procurement, but before raising the purchase orders, there would be a lot of RFQs sent and selection of suppliers, price bidding, prices negotiation. All this was done basically by a manual Excel format and emails. So hence we thought of going for a software. After buying the software, and there was an enormous support also was given by the team members of Procol.
Satisfied our requirements, mainly in the form of customization and selection of fields is possible in this software, whereas this feature is not available in the other software. It has got a very good impact on our operations. Especially it helped us to improve our negotiation power with the suppliers and also made consolidation of all purchase activities for all the units, satisfy all the auditors in audit trial. After 1 year, we thought this tool will be evaluated again. Then we realized that this is a very good tool available in the market and is user friendly, and it enabled us to have the decision making faster, improve our profitability. This tool also enables better negotiation as a part of digitalization process. We have done this. Many manual works are avoided and all the data is available in one place. So whenever we want the data, we can retrieve the data and at any point of time, so that this indirect purchase is made simpler through this tool.